Anyway, welcome back to part 7 of Tough Truck. Oh yeah, if you look closely, I have, this is gold and brown van.
Okay, so we're having this 17-inch Raider. And his opponent's going to be Joe Poland.
The golden brown van, I have that as a Hot Wheel, so I'm rooting for it.
Alright. Drivers, you ready? Alright, countdown.
Wait, that's the one I originally rooted for. The number 3 Mustang, the black Mustang. Come on, buddy. You got this! Come on, Van, you got this!
Number 6, the firefighter.
Come on, Van, you got this! Come on, Van! Come on, you brown Van! Last time he got stuck right there, but it did better.
I think the car
Hey,
is
give him a hand.
Man, I think this is the last one.
Also got to give a big shout out to our track.
Oh, there's 2. There's another one after this. See that one that has number 3 on it? Yeah, that's the one I'm rooting for. So, yeah. The black car that says number 3 on it, I'm rooting for. So, yeah, I'm rooting for the black car that says number 3 on the side. So, yeah. He's right there. He's a black car with the number 3 on it. And I'm going to be rooting for him. I rooted for him. I'm rooting for him because he looks cool. Oh, did he forfeit? Yeah, he forfeit. Yeah, he might have forfeit.
Another one of you guys, if you want to email board members outside the event tonight, or want to come out tonight, or one of the livestock buildings, make sure you tell us thank you for all the work they've done.
Anyway, see you in part 8.